requested song from Things Off from Air Supply. When she looks at me, and all the girl sees things that nobody else can see. All of the secrets fuse inside, and all the craziness I hide. She looks into my soul and reads me like nobody can. And she doesn't judge the man, she just takes me as I am. Come on, mate, she believes that fate is something I never know before. Come on, mate, she loves me, and that love has helped me open that door, making me love myself a little more. When I turn away, she knows there's all the times there's nothing she can say, nothing that anyone can do, and so she lets me live it through. And when it in my eyes, hour of insanity, she just simply let me be, and goes right on loving me. Come on, mate, she believes in the fate is something I never know before. Come on, mate, she loves me, and that love has helped me open that door, making me love myself a little more. And when it seems my dreams are low, slip through my fingers, and they just can't be found, I turn around and there they are. without you. So I prayed so hard for your love. In my heart I needed you. Then I look up in the sky, and you're thinking, oh why? These are all the many changes in my life. After all the carries and the laughter, no one is like you. I am not a preacher with a sermon. I'm so in love with you. Just to live without your love, it's like a sunshine above. It's the magic of the changes in my life. Your love, you and I were meant to be. Sweet as rain falling from the skies. You and I, these are all the many changes in my life. Listen to this verse I wanna give you, all of it's so true. Don't forget I love you and I need you, will always be with you. So just look up in the sky and you'll find a while, oh wow. These are all many changes in my life. Your love, you and I were meant to be. Sweet as rain falling from the sky. You and I, these are all many changes. These are all many changes. These are all many changes in my life. In my life, these are all many changes. These are all many changes. These are all many changes in my life.